unveiling the Oppo A3 Pro, a marvel of modern technology. This smartphone comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The A3 Pro offers a stunning visual experience, featuring 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 950 nits. The A3 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, ensuring smooth performance. Choose from 8GB or 12GB RAM options, with storage capacities of 256GB or 512GB. Photography is redefined with the A3 Pro's 64MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor. The 8MP selfie camera ensures your portraits stand out. The device is built to last with IP69 dust and water resistance, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets. It's smart, with an in-display fingerprint sensor and ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 for a seamless user experience. The A3 Pro's 5000 mAh battery supports 67W fast charging. And with its sleek design, available in colors like blue, pink, and mint, it's as stylish as it is powerful. Starting at just 22990 Indian rupee, the Oppo A3 Pro is the smart choice without the premium price tag. Join us as we explore the latest in tech. For more reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.